Hey y'all, Sam here. I hope that you're having a great day. I'm having a pretty good day myself. I have received my July Cult Crushes box, Ricky's Cult Crushes, and we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we have inside. This box is relatively new to me. It is $14 a month, and you get, I believe, 5 sample to full-size products from Ricky's each month. So inside your box, you always get a little card from Ricky's that tells you about your products. However, it does not show the price. I wish I had the price on there, but that's okay. So first we have some makeup wipes, and these are from RICKYCARE Backstage, and they are travel wipes. It says that these wipes will remove your makeup, tone, and cleanse your skin all at one time. They have vitamin E and aloe and chamomile flower in them. So that's nice. I can always use a good makeup wipe. So next in the box we have Bathe Those Lashes Volumizing Serum. I really like the graphics on this box. I'm going to take off the plastic because it does have like a cellophane plastic all the way around it. So here's the box up close. Isn't that the cutest thing? It's super cute. It feels very light and empty though, so I mean, if it's a lash serum, that's not going to be very big, right? And it's not. I guess they just really like their packaging. I like their packaging too, but look. It's an empty box. We have right here in this little corner the serum. So here it is. Yeah, kind of killing a little bit of trees here, but the box is super cute. Since I already have mascara on, we can't really try this out because it's something that you're going to put on your lashes when you don't have mascara on. It just says in a sweepy motion, supply the serum to the upward lash line, starting from the inner corner of the eye, working to the outer corner of the eye. Repeat daily for best results. So it looks to be just clear, and it has this little nail polish looking brush. And yeah, it's just a clear serum. Doesn't really smell like anything either. But this I like. I have like no eyelashes. Y'all have heard me say that a million times. You can probably tell right now. So this I'm going to try out and hopefully get some more eyelashes. So the next product is super cute. I love this little package. This is a Vanishing potion, and it's supposed to be to remove your makeup. Let's open her up. Ooh. And then it's like a little potion bottle. Okay, so the serum is not actually green. The bottle is like ombre from clear to green, but I really like it. Let's go ahead and open it up and smell it. It really doesn't have any smell at all. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand just to see what it feels like. It actually doesn't seem very oily for a makeup remover. I mean, you can see on my hand, it's not like super shiny. It's not a bunch of oil. Next, we have a blush from Glamslam Beauty. And this is, what color? Candy Girl. Won't you be my candy girl? Okay, so this looks like it's going to be very, very pink. I mean, that's like hot, hot pink. I'm not sure about that for a blush, but we're going to go ahead and rub my finger in it and do a swatch. Wow. Here, I'll try to clean that up a little bit. Yeah, that's a very, very pink blush. Not sure how I feel about that. However, I have used a blush this bright before, and if you use it very lightly, very, very lightly, then you can get a nice pink color from it, and then it lasts a long time. I'm just going to use this little Luxie brush, and we're going to ever so slightly dab it on there. As you can see, there's barely anything on the brush, and let's just go ahead and see what it looks like if we were to buff that in. It's still really pink, but it would be wearable. I'm not overly excited about this one. And then the last item in the box we have this month is Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the color Dream Dealer. Ooh, I love the packaging. That is very unique. Let me go ahead and bust out one of these wipes here. And we're going to take off this lipstick, which is Calabasas from Jeffree Star. Love Jeffree Star's lipsticks. Alright girl, you know Jeffree's lipstick is long wearing, so I took a little bit of my foundation off, but we're just going to ignore that and move on to trying this out. It looks like it's going to be like a purpley kind of color. Yeah, it's pretty purple. It does have like the little hole in the applicator, which I kind of like, and it's curved. So we'll see how this applies. Alright, so the lipstick is on. It is a very vampy color. It did take 2 coats to get it on kind of smooth. This applicator, however, works great for the bottom lip. It's like curved and it just works perfectly for the bottom lip. However, when I got to my top lip, it gave me a little bit of problems. So it's not my favorite applicator. It's unique. It's definitely different, but it's okay. This lipstick is very quick to dry. Okay, so the lipstick seems to be drying down really, really quickly. It feels very dry. Almost feels like it's powder on my lips. Let's go ahead and do a kiss test. Yeah, it's definitely transfer proof. It'll wear a long time. Even though it's very dry and I do want to put gloss on, I do appreciate that my lip lines are not being accentuated. I don't feel like it's making my lips like shrivel up and look cracked. So that is definitely a plus. I have to say that this month's box really impressed me with packaging. The packaging on these 3 products was really actually cool to me. I really like the way this looks, even though it's like total waste of money because it's like a little tiny product. But this potion, oh, y'all, it's so cute. And this lipstick is beautiful. Like, I think I'll set these out on my vanity. I'm not sure how often I'll use this lipstick, but I think I'm gonna set it out because it's really cool looking. So now the question is, was the box worth $14? I say yeah, I think it really was worth $14. I did look up the serum just because I was curious how much this cost, because a lot of serum type things are expensive. And this retails, it looks like, for anywhere from $12.99 to $16.99, depending on what website you go to. So the box was $14. That's pretty much the cost of this. And I'm really excited about this face cleanser. Makeup wipes I can always use. The lipstick, I'm still on the fence about that one. The pink blush, okay, that's a little much, but you never know. Maybe I'll decide to be a clown for Halloween, and then it'll be perfect. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all!